video. If you guys would like to see how I achieved this hairstyle, let's show you. Yes, if you would like to know how I achieved this hairstyle, please stay tuned. Make sure you like and subscribe. Now let's get into the video. After getting my part situated and detangled, I'm going to go in with some olive oil moisture lotion. And then I'll go back in with some Eco Styler gel. I'm just going to brush that so that it is very smooth. And then I'm going to go in with my rubber bands. I'm just going to put that into a rubber band, and then I'm going to split the ponytail in two and pull it just so I can make sure it's very tight and secure. Alright guys, so I just finished the Rubberband Method. When I parted my hair, you guys didn't see because it was just a lot to do on camera. So when I parted my hair, what I did was I just went by levels. I started with the 4 in the front, as you guys saw, and then I just did levels. I think I have 1, 2, 3 levels in the back plus the 4 box ones at the top. So I'm going to show you guys the hair I'm using. It's Made Beauty 2x Soft Twist. It comes like this. I have it in the color T530. Let me show you guys what it looks like out of the bag so you can see. I bought 2 bags of this. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it all, but you guys can see it kind of has like the red. It's kind of like a mixed red tint, but I got it because I like the bottom. Yeah, so this is what I'm going to be using, and it is safe in hot water. I have those, and if you guys were wondering, the reason that I did not use, I have some Gorilla Glue and I also have some edge control. The reason I didn't use that is because last time I did twist in my hair, it left flakes. So I kind of wanted to go ahead and take them out. So with the Eco Styler gel and the oil moisturizer, I feel like it would do wonders. So I'll come back to you guys when I start doing this. Alright, so I'm just going to take the hair out of the package, and I'm going to get some scissors and cut the rubber band in between. I'm not going to cut the hair because the hair that I have is 20 inches and I do want it to be pretty long. So I'm just going to start out by taking 3 strands. But fair warning, I didn't like how small it came out with the 3 strands of hair, so I did upgrade to 4 strands of hair for each twist. And then you're just gonna fluff out the ends. You can get a comb and comb the ends out. Also fluff out the twist itself a little bit. I am gonna give you a closer look of what I am doing
Like here, I'm halfway done. Like I said, I went in with 4 strands because 3 strands was just kind of small. I really want to go in with 5, but that's all the hair I had. I had just enough hair to finish my head, and I did not want to go back to the store. So this is a closer look. I just start out with a braid. I braid it down just a little bit. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hair when it is in the middle of the braid, and I'm going to split that in 2. Then I'm going to start twisting each side. That'll secure the braid. And then you just keep on twisting down. Make sure if you have relaxed hair like myself, make sure you blend in your hair with the synthetic braid hair. Sometimes my hair pokes out, so what I do is I wrap the twist hair around my hair so that it's surrounded, so I don't have to worry about it coming out of the twist itself. But when I get to the bottom of the twist, I'm going to start braiding it so I can secure it for when I dip my hair in hot water. Break time, break time. My arms were tired. I was thirsty. Yeah.
That's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really love the color. Yeah, I really love the color. So I was telling you guys that I will update you on what I was doing trip. So I'm going to Florida. Woo! Panama City Beach for my 1-year anniversary. It's me and my husband's 1-year anniversary. We've been together for a minute. We've been married 1 year. So he's taking me to Florida. So I had to do a little something because I want to get my hair wet, and I'm able to get my hair wet with this, and it's super light. And if it needs maintenance, I'm able to go in and do whatever I need to do. So I hope that you guys were able to see everything. And this is my 2nd time doing these twists, so make sure you guys leave a comment down below if you enjoyed it and if you like it, okay? Anyway, make sure you like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.